My name is Sesotho and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Before I start with anything, I would just like to remind you to like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. Also remember to leave a comment down below so I can get back to you. You can leave a suggestion on what you want my next video to be about. Okay, let me not waste any time and get right into it. Tsatsing lena. Tsatsing lena, which means today. Tsatsing lena, today. If the person you are talking to doesn't use the word tsatsing lena, they would use kajeno. Kajeno, today. And then we have Hosane, tomorrow. Hosane, Hosane. Maobane, yesterday. Maobane, yesterday. Maobane. Maoba, the day later. Hamorao, later. Kamorao ho, after. Kamorao ho, after. Pele ho, before. Pele ho, before. So for example, you will say Dijo di tla loka ka morao ho hora ya pele. The food will be ready after 1 o'clock. Dijo di tla loka ka morao ho hora ya pele. The food will be ready after 1 o'clock. Motsotso means a minute. Motsotso, motsotso. Motsotso is the plural form, minutes. Motsotso. Hora means an hour. Hora. Hora. Dihora means hours. Dihora. Letsatsi is a day. Letsatsi, day. Letsatsi, a day. Letsatsi, a day. Matsatsi, days. Matsatsi, days. Fun fact, letsatsi also refers to the sun. So, if someone talks about letsatsi, they might be referring to a day or the sun. Just depending on the context of the conversation, you will be able to pick it out. Beke, week. Dibeke, weeks. Dibeke, weeks. Kgwedi, month. Kgwedi, month. Dikgwedi, months. Dikgwedi, months. Selemo, a year. Selemo, a year. Dilemo, years. Dilemo, years. Thank you for watching my video. Until I see you again for my next video, my name is Sesotho. Salang hantle.